All right, y'all, we gonna try out that new double smash jack. Let's see what's up with it, man. Big old burger, ain't gonna hold y'all. It looks already big as hell. Got the smash patties, 3 breads. They got their own type of island sauce, lettuce, tomato. No, there's no tomato. Just lettuce. Yeah, lettuce, onion, no tomato. It looks good. I'm about to try it out right now. Cheers, man. Bless up, bless up. Let's see what's up with this, guys. I never tried this one. Smells good, looks good. Cheers. So, it's like different than Thousand Island. It's more zesty, more sweet. The meat has that good pepper seasoning on it. Salt and pepper. The onions is good. The bread is pretty bomb. Not bad. It's pretty good. Gotta hit it with some ranch. With ranch. Pretty good. I give it like a 7.5 out of 10. It's juicy. It got good flavor. The bun is good. I'll say just the lettuce is kind of soggy. But other than that, everything's great. It's a good burger. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You feel me? That's the Jack Smash Double. Man, and they're thick patties, y'all. They got some thick smash patties. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Let's get it.